We are going to begin in a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Check in to make sure that your hands are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Slowly kick your right leg behind you. To avoid kicking the leg up, think about reaching for the wall behind you with your heel. Once your right leg is fully lengthened behind you, row your left arm by pulling your elbow towards your hip until your wrist contacts your lower ribs. The purpose of the kickback row is to improve body awareness and strength through your shoulders, low back, and pelvis. Lightly push your chest away from the ground, separating your shoulder blades. While doing this, you're also going to be performing a chin tuck by pulling your nose and chin away from the ground. Imagine you have a glass of water on your back. Be careful, don't spill any water. Now, let's try combining the two movements together. And before we do that, make sure your neck and shoulders are set. Let's try kicking out the right leg back and rowing with your left arm. Focus on maintaining your posture and not spilling any water as you move your arm and leg at the same time. Hold for one full breath. Alternate on the other side. Now it's your turn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.